Reducing face fat can be challenging as spot reduction is not possible. However, there are several strategies you can incorporate into your lifestyle to help, which may also contribute to reducing fat in the face. Here are some effective tips to help you reduce face fat. Number 1 is overall weight loss. Engage in regular physical activity and follow a balanced diet to promote overall weight loss, which can lead to a Number 2 is cardio exercises. Incorporate regular cardiovascular exercises such as brisk walking, running, cycling, or swimming to help burn, including the face. Number 3 is strength training. Include strength training exercises in your routine to build muscle, which can boost your metabolism and aid in overall fat. Number 4 is facial exercises. Perform facial exercises such as cheek lifts, chin lifts, and jaw exercises to help tone and strengthen the muscles in your face. While the scientific evidence supporting the effectiveness of facial exercises is limited, some people find these exercises beneficial for toning facial muscles. Number 5 is hydration. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Proper hydration can help reduce water retention and bloating, which can contribute to the appearance of a puffy face. Number 6 is balanced diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while limiting your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and high-sodium foods. Focus on portion control to manage your calorie intake effectively. Number 7 is limit alcohol and sodium intake. Reduce your consumption of alcohol and foods high in sodium, as these can contribute to water retention and bloating, affecting the appearance of your face. Number 8 is adequate sleep. Get enough quality sleep each night to help regulate your body's metabolism and hormone levels, which can influence overall weight management. Number 9 is reducing stress. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to manage stress levels. High stress can contribute to weight gain and an increase in facial fat. Always consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any